Hi guys, welcome to our Azure Learning YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to discuss about top 10 features which are present and how we can use it and where and all we can apply that services. This is what today we're going to see. Okay, let's start it. 10 incredible features we're going to see. Let's see that. First one, Azure Resource Manager. What is this literally doing here? See, here you can create resource anywhere in any language. For example, if you know only that Python means, you can use Python library to automate infra in the Azure. And if you just only know the PowerShell, or if you just only know the command prompt, or else if you just only know the Terraform, like you can develop the template anywhere. But all the requests would go via this single interface only. So that people telling it as the Azure Resource Manager, and also Azure Resource Manager had the template. Here itself, template is there. So by writing the template, we can do automation. Only the thing is, whenever we're gonna automate the resource, we should focus on few things. One is credential. Okay, you can create an IAM credential or app credential or system manager identity, which is completely your choice. And then you need to pick the respective package. For example, if you have configured the Terraform means Terraform package you need to take. And then Azure Resource Manager means Azure CLI library you must add in your mission so that you can automate your infra. Then you can easily execute this ARM script. Okay, so only the thing is, first thing is credential and then library, and then you need to develop the script and then you can execute it. Okay, and then after this ARM, Azure Automation. This automation helps to automate some things in the Azure. Something means, for example, okay, let me tell you one scenario that would help you to understand the concept. So in my organization, developers won't be available on the weekend. So that I plan to make a one small automations for that. Okay, if Saturday comes, all VMs should stop. Okay, all the developer VMs should stop because developer won't be available on the weekends. So if we gonna run those servers unwantedly means how it is going to be efficient, how it is going to be in a cost efficient factor. So that I decided to automate this. So what we can do here is we can write the respective actions in the runbook itself. In the runbook itself, we can write the respective actions, and then here itself we can schedule it. Scheduling options also there. By using that option, we can perform the schedules here. For example, Friday evening or Saturday evening, you just wanted to schedule means just pass the schedule time and then schedule date. It would do the automation for you. Okay, and then Azure Monitor. This Azure Monitor is literally recommended to monitor resource which present on Azure. Okay, if your resources are literally present in the Azure, this monitor is really helps. Okay, so what and all we can do in this monitor? Okay, let me tell you a few things here. First thing is here dashboard options are there. By using this dashboard option, you can monitor your resources here. Okay, so what is the, we can monitor the resources that are fine. Then how it is providing the monitoring service to the customer, to the person, okay, to the developer or who's working with that Azure. See, the concept is in Azure account, people would have various clients resources. Okay, various clients resources. If all clients resources are located in the same location, then how you would monitor those property there? So for that, what we would do in the real time is we would create a dedicated dashboard for each clients, and then we would define all the metrics. What are all the resources and what are all the metrics? If we just wanted to monitor means we would select everything in the respective client dashboard. There itself, we would monitor everything. Okay, this is the first thing, and also there we would set the alerts as well. Okay, that CPU alert and then the disk read operation, write operation. If the value, the threshold value becomes high, it should send notification like that. We would set the alert. And then if we are going to deliver any application or deliver any service to the customer, first to our client, we would check which data centers are healthy, which data centers are near of my client location. So that I need to first check. If you are going to provide any setup for your customer means this is what you need to check first. If your data center is nearby of your client means latency your client won't face. Okay. And also which data centers are healthy, which regions are healthy, these details and all we can find it in this Azure Monitor itself. And also here what which users and all, who and all which users and all doing which activity. For example, developers users are there. If they gonna mislead anything, if they gonna do any irrelevant activity anything, I can figure out in this Azure Monitor service itself. Okay. And then Azure Advisor. This Azure Advisor, it's an assistant. So this assistant would suggest you what you can do for cost saving and what you can do for enhancing the security. Like here itself, advisor features is there. Okay. So if you don't have a knowledge on the respective security, on the respective cost saving factors, you can use this. This one would really helps and also which increase the productivity as well. Okay. And then Azure Logic Apps. Okay, generally we are going to discuss about apps. First thing is web app we should know. Okay, so web app we need to create. Sorry, not web app. Same like Azure Logic App, mobile app, web app, like various apps are there. So first we need to create the app service plan. Okay, app service plan means nothing. So there itself we would tell the hardware capacity and which runtime and uh, which features and all we gonna enable there, and then the domain features. This all we would tell it in the Azure app service plan. First, we need to tell the Azure app service plan, and then only we can create any apps. It can be mobile app or web app or static app or any app. You need to tell the Azure app service plan first. It can be, function app or anything. You need to first set up the app service plan. Okay, so what we can do in this Azure Logic app? So previously I said in the Azure Runbook, so there we did the automation, right? So if you are going to do the automation with Azure Runbook, you should have some knowledge in the commands or codings. But in this Logic app, literally deletes everything. Okay, here all the components are present in the graphical form, GUI form. So you're gonna select the property and you're gonna connect it accordingly. Then that automation would work here. Okay. So based on the requirement which you need, if client purchased any product from my application, that people should get the receipt for the product. Like if any one of my employee uh, did check-in means that person should get the uh, response mail. Like we can set the logic up. Okay. And also here the beauty is here we don't want to manage any infrastructure. It literally works in the basis of platform as a service. And then the Azure Functions. This Azure Functions, it's a serverless computing concept. Here, you don't worry about the payment stuff. It literally works in the basis of pay-per-use model. And also, here, based on the runtime of your execution. For example, if your execution file taking 5 to 10 minutes means you just have to pay for those 10 minutes. Otherwise, you don't want to pay any amount for the packages or infra here. Okay. So that's the main advantage here. And then, yeah. So I think I completed all the stuff. Azure Automation, Azure Monitor, and Functions. This all literally enhances the efficiency and then the security and also the performance. Okay. So I hope this video helps you very well. In the next video, I'll come up with an interesting topic and subscribe to our channel. And also, I'll give our Azure community link in our YouTube video description. Just join that WhatsApp group. There itself, you will get more about Azure, and there we gonna post more interview stuff and then job requirements Like we're gonna post everything. So just go there and get the real-time exposure. And that's it for this video, guys. Thank you, everyone. Bye. See you in the next video. Thank you.